Happy Eid al-Adha to all Muslims and non-Muslims in the Philippines, particularly in Davao City, that this coming Eid al-Adha, September 12, 2016, are organizing for the support of the Mayor Inday Sara Duterte for the celebration of Eid al-Adha. Then unified open field prayer Eid al-Adha in Chungko Football Davao City. Then we are urging to all Muslims and non-Muslims to join us to the Eid al-Adha this coming September 12, 2016. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.